Hi guys, so let's discuss about how we can change the SharePoint information like SharePoint title, SharePoint logo and menus and other information. So let's go on site setting. This is called site setting icon. Click here and go on site information. Just enter this site name here. And I am updating the site description as well. Just click on save. It will update the site title, not the name which is in the link. Okay. uh, so we just update the title here. So let's suppose we want to change the site logo now. Go again on site setting icon and click on change the look. So here you will see these four options, change the look. So from these four options you can change the site theme, uh, site header. Theme is just like a white theme is used here with this color scheme, and header part is just the this section with the logo, SharePoint this site title, as well the menus, this section called the header. So this detail we can update from the header section. And navigation, these menus, we can update the menus, like how we can, you want to show these menus like in cascading style or in mega menu. So that mega menu and uh, cascading style we will discuss later, but right now we are going to update this site logo from the header. Oh, okay. So here we see background display, like go on layout. The layout will show you how this menu should show there. Like right now it's a compact, like the logo, title and menu are in the same alignment. If you're clicking on the minimal, that header height will be minimized from this section. Just click here. Yeah, so this will get sticky, header will get a sticky header, and its height of this and position is fixed as well for this menu. When you go on the standard, the menus will go in the downward direction and title will be in the top position. And when you will on the extended, all menus will go on the below the logo and title here, like this way. So let's keep these right now as a compact layout right now. Okay, so next option is background. From here we can change the theme color of this menus, like this. Right now it's white, we can gray out the color, and this like this way. So let's keep like the gray out so that we can differentiate between the these section as well the menus. Okay, go on display. uh, Inside the display, this toggle button will show us the case that we want to show this title, or we can hide this title. When we toggle this off, that this will go up here, and if we toggle again on, that the title will shows here. Okay, so this situation we will need when we have the length of this title will character are long, so you can use this option as per your requirements. Just click on. Now we are going to change the logo here. Just click here on the site logo, change, click here and select the logo, and select the thumbnail as well. I updated the same thumbnail here. Click on save. So right now we just update the site logo, site title and the header color. So you can see that when we are scrolling downward, after some sort of height, the height of the header is decreasing. The same way we are doing manually in like in HTML or WordPress site, same thing are going here automatically, but here a lot of things are inbuilt. You just need add your content and put your thoughts how you want to beautify this site. Okay, thanks for joining this session. We will discuss more on next video.